What's up guys, my name is Donnie SK87. Today, gonna play the House of Slenderino. So yeah, I'm... Tagal na tong laro na to. If you want to play this game, you can just download it. So let's play guys. Easy, medium, hard. Siyempre easy. Diba? Madali lang tong laro na to guys. Just you know. Tangina na, parang ayoko na. Hello? Oh man, why did I even... Oh, fuck off, bitch. I was looking behind because, you know... Oh shit. Oh my god! Tang ina, yoko na, gago. Puta. I'm scared, guys. Tang ina. Oh my god. Tang ina, lakas ng volume, gago. So this is the reading room. Putang ina mo, sinisigaw. Don't look behind, gago. Oh my god. Oh my god! Fuck. Fuck. This is why I hate myself, man. You little motherfucker, bitch. Tang ina mo, gago. So... Oh shit! Oh, gago, fuck you. Why'd you gotta scare me like that, man? Oh shit, putang ina mo, hayop ka. Pangit mong tignan. Ugly little bitch. Huwag yan. May laman ba yan? Wala lang. Putang ina mo, ba't mo binuksan yan, man? Holy shit, may namatay dito, gago. What the fuck? So... Man, I hate this shit. Oh my god. What? The fuck? Tangina, wala naman. Putang ina. Hello? Kala ko sa Slenderino eh. Oh, hi. Hi there. Yeah, whatever. Tang ina mo, gago. Oh, shit. Fuck. Fuck you, man. Puta, mga hanap na naman ng susi. Ay, nako. I hate this shit, man. Pupunta na pala ako dun. Which room though? Fuck. Oh no, man. Check ko na yan. Check ko na rin to. Putang ina mo. Kamanggagago, tang ina ka, gago. Tang ina, may sumigaw, gago. Puta ina, man. Stop doing that shit. Putang ina man, gago. Fuck that, man. Putang ina. Like, why? Slenderina is such a pussy ass bitch. Ina ng gago. Manipulating little bitch. Tang ina gago. Okay, wala pala dito. Ah, there's nothing here. Yeah, nothing here. Dito. The fuck? Oh. Ano, tinitignan ko yung likod. Baka ano yun na naman ako ng gago eh. Oh, fuck that. Tangina, tumalsik yung laway ko. The fuck? Tanginang music yan. Lakas gago. What cabinet man? Tangina, di ko kabisado itong lugar na to. Okay, babalik pa ako dun. Oh shit, may susi. Damn. Hey, let's go. The key. Oh, fuck that. Putang. Tangina kung kailan lang tangina manggugulat. Okay, I'm prepared for this moment, bro. Oh no, bro. Tangina gago. Putang ina, speedrun ko na to gago. Yoko dun sa isa gago. Ilalabas na spider. Putang ina, gagapang sa ano. I don't wanna experience that again, bro. I almost got a heart attack. Oh, fuck that. Hey, bitch. Yan. Ito ba? Putang ina, lalabas dyan yung gago eh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not ready for that shit. Tang ina. Hey, got the crowbar. Ano yan? No, fuck! Tang inang shit. Stop doing that. Tang ina, nag-glitch. Gago. Gumagapang sa pader. I'll never do that. Okay guys, yes, palapit na yung the end. Buksan mo po. Let's go. I'm ready for this shit. Oh, hi. Hi. Damn. Yay! Tang ina, di ako masaya gago. Fuck. Di naman nakakatakot to eh. Nakalimutan ko lang yun. So guys, that's it guys. I finished the game. Di ko na lalaruin yung ibang Slenderina shit. Kasi ano eh. Alam nyo naman guys. Di dahil sa takot ako. Like, trip ko lang maglaro eh. Siyempre, ito lang yung pinaka the best sa like and subscribe guys. Subscribe guys. See you in another video. Bye.